We have mentioned before, let's say if I wanted to get rid of this group of things here, I'm going to right click on them and clear them out. If you would wanted to add two things together, that what you would then do is you would say equals the sum of these two things, right? So, and we know you can do that pretty quickly. Everyone knows how now. I can quickly drag those down. And the relative referencing is very handy. But what if I wanted to then take those numbers and each divide them by some chosen number, and my chosen number will be 5? What if I wanted to divide everything here by 5? Well, I could put 5 in every cell here and then do it. That sounds kind of like a lot of work, even though it's quick. What I could do is put here equals whatever the number is, D2, and I could just write divide by 5. And I click this cell. That works pretty well, except now when I drag it down, it's not going to work because relative referencing has moved this to here, and then to here, and then to here. I can change that. This is a change in the row number, and we have a change. Sometimes it'll also relative referencing will change in the column letter as well if you're moving left to right. But one thing we can do is go back to this equation, and we use what's called a dollar sign to freeze the relative referencing. So if I want to freeze the row number, I put a dollar sign in front of the row number like that. Now, when I have a formula like that and I drag it down, fortunately, whoa, I went a little too far. But what I got out of this is that now each of these numbers is referencing G2 every time, right? So just that cell. Now, it might be that I want to make sure it always references that cell, no matter whether I drag right or left or up or down. If that's the case, you need a dollar sign the column as well. And that will stop it in future from changing the relative referencing right to left or up and down. All right?